If you're anyone who deals with electrical systems, today's video is just for you. Hey, Gareth here, welcome back to our channel. We're introducing the non-contact voltage and GFCI test kit from Jonard Tools, part number TK-502, a must-have for anyone working with electrical safety and troubleshooting. This versatile kit includes two essential tools, the GFCI Outlet Tester, part number GFC-1, and the non-contact dual range voltage detector pen, part number VT-1100. Together, they make diagnosing and solving electrical issues faster and safer. Just a note, links to dedicated videos showcasing these tools are included in the description, so be sure to check those out for a closer look. First up, the GFCI Outlet Tester. This compact tool is designed to quickly identify wiring problems in standard and GFCI outlets. It detects issues like open ground, reverse polarity, and other common faults, and ensures that ground fault circuit interrupters are functioning properly. Its easy to read LED indicators make it simple to diagnose problems at a glance, and its built-in GFCI trip test verifies outlet protection. This tester is rated for 110 to 125 volts AC and built tough enough to withstand a drop from 6.6 feet. Next, we have the non-contact dual range voltage detector pen. This tool allows you to safely detect live voltage without direct contact. It offers two voltage detection ranges, 24 to 1000 volt for low voltage systems and 90 to 1000 volt for standard systems. It features an LED flashlight for working in dimly lit areas and provides both visual and audible alerts for voltage detection. Whether you're working on electrical panels, outlets, or wires, this pen makes voltage detection quick and secure. The TK-502 kit is a game changer for anyone working with electrical systems. With the GFCI Outlet Tester and the voltage detection pen, you'll have the tools you need to troubleshoot efficiently and stay safe. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.